we see a huge elephant tusker. Here is an Indian car. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Vincy Vibes, and I'm your host Vincent. So today it's a Saturday, it's a weekend, and me and my friends, we plan to go for a short trip. So we wanted to go to a place which is a little far away from the city. Just want to enjoy the nature. So Anil, right? So he's Anil. So he suggested a place that is Riverton Lodge, which is in Tarikare, Chikmagalur. So it is exactly 283 kilometers from Bangalore. Near to this place, around 4 kilometers, we have Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. So we are going to visit that place as well. Right now, exactly it's 6 a.m. So once we reach there, I think we're going to reach the lodge somewhere in the afternoon around 12 p.m. And I'm going with a few of my friends, that is Anil and Sanjit. And then we have Ranjit here. Alright, so after our check-in, we are going to have our lunch, and probably we are planning to go for a jungle safari in the Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. The next day we are also planning to have some boating and kayaking and stuff like that, and it's going to be amazing. So make sure you watch the complete video, and towards the end of the video I'll also share a few of the important tips that you need to keep in mind when you're visiting this place. So yes guys, let's get the vlog started. Here's an update. We have another 50 kilometers left to reach our destination. I think it's gonna take another probably 40 to 45 minutes. Wow, look at that guys, a beautiful peacock. We have almost reached our destination, the Riverton Lodge. So another few more meters to go inside. And we have jeeps here. I think this is for the jeep safari. So yeah. And this is the reception area. So here's the welcome drink. This is gonna be a long walk. Basically we have to cross a bridge and go towards the other island. I'll show you the bridge right now. This is an amazing view, and that's the Bhadra Dam. Reception area is in this island, and you have to cross the bridge and go towards this small island where you will have your cottages there. When you enter the room, we have this huge space, hall cum bedroom, right? It's very spacious, by the way. And then we have the toilet. The toilet is neat and clean. That is very important, right? And then this is the view we are looking for. Look at the view, guys. Wow. So this balcony is directly facing towards the reservoir. You have this beautiful view. If you're visiting the Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, I will totally recommend this place, that is the Riverton Lodge, for your stay. This Riverton Lodge is part of the JLR, that is Jungle Lodge and Resorts. I'll also let you know the price of the stay and all the details towards the end of the video. So make sure you watch the complete video till the end. Let's see, guys. We have all freshened up, and right now we are going for our lunch. So post lunch we'll be going to our jungle safari. So let's see what the jungle has to offer for us. This is the dining area. So non-veg ಏನೇನಿದೆ?
Fish curry ಇದೆ. Chicken fry ಇದೆ.
Okay. So guys, I'm on Lent season. I'll be eating veg for today. In non-veg, they say they have variety of chicken and fish fry.
Fish curry.
Sorry, fish curry. Yeah.
Serve ಮಾಡಲಾ ಸರ್?
Sir, please. Yes, sir. Sir. Thank you. Sorry, sir. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಸರ್? ಅಶೋಕ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ ಸರ್, ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್? ಯಾವ್ದು ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್? ರಸಮ? ಸೂಪರ್. Now we are just going near the river area, just under the bridge. Right now it's 3 p.m. and our jeep safari is at 3:30, so we still have half an hour. So we thought of coming down here and try to explore the place. Wow, look at this, guys. This is so beautiful. You have the great view here where you can sit and relax and get the view. I think this place is gonna be even more amazing when you come in the evening times or early morning times and sit and relax, enjoy the nature view. So guys, right now we are sitting in the jeep and going towards the Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. So I think it's probably 4 kilometers from here. So after that we're going to go inside. I have the action cam set up right here, as you can see. So sometimes it's going to focus behind and sometimes it's going to focus in the front as well. This is the main entrance. So it's written Bhadra Huli Samrakshita Suswagata. I think the driver has gone inside for the registration. This Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary takes its name from the Bhadra rivers that is just adjacent to this forest. This wildlife sanctuary is popularly known as the Muttodi Wildlife Sanctuary. So this was also declared as the Project Tiger Reserve. This forest is spread over 500 square kilometers. Basically it's spread across 2 districts, that is Shivamogga and Chikmagalur. The driver says that we have seen around 40 tigers and the leopards have been increased from around 20 to 50 leopards as of till date. So elephants ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್?
Elephant on 250 ಮೇಲಿದೆ.
Okay, so elephants, there are more than 250 elephants here. Wow guys, here we see a huge elephant tusker. Oh my god, that looks humongous.
35 years old.
Oh, he says it's 35 years old.
ಈ ಬೊಂಬೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿ.
ಸೀಳಿರೋದು.
ಸೀಳು. ಹೌದು.
ಸೀದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೀಳು.
ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನೆಗಳಿಗೆ.
This tusker is very dangerous, so we have to wait for it to move from the way and then we are supposed to go. Yeah. See, it's very close to us. It's just a few meters away from us.
ಮೂಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗೋದು ಅದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ
ಇದು ಮತ್ತಿ ಮರನಾ? Okay, this is matti mara and this is more than 100 years old.
ವೆರಿ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್.
There's almost somebody there running. So guys, here is an Indian car.
ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಹುಡುಗ.
The next day.
Hello, well, good morning. So right now it's 6:30 a.m. and we are near the boating area. So we are gonna hop in and start a ride. So yes, as you can see, the boat is waiting right there for us. And that's the entrance. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಸರ್?
ಮಹೇಶ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು 35 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ವರೆಗೂ ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ 182 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಾಟ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇದು ಭದ್ರಾ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇರೋದು 186, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ.
ಸೊ ರೈನಿ ಸೀಸನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ಲು
ರೈನ್ ಸೀಸನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಮಳೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 186ವರೆಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 300 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
Give me all you've got if you're prepared to break the silence. I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up, afraid to fall. God, I've been so down, can you pick me up? Don't let me fall. Can you show me how to fix this mess? I am down and on my knees and I may.
We are done with the water safari and right now we have come to the kayaking place. As you can see, I got a boat where it can accommodate 2 people. This is a nice feeling. These people have kept the boundary there with the green ball. So they told us to not cross the green line. Since I'm a solo person in this 2-person's boat, I have to give a little extra push to move this boat. The food was amazing, guys. Sir, thank you so much. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, super ಆಗಿತ್ತು. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Next time ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಖಂಡಿತ. Thank you, sir. ಸಿಗೋಣ. Take care. These things takes lot of time to decorate. This aluminum can, which is like 200 to 500 years, and the glass bottle, it's unknown, and the styrofoam is eternity. It's forever. Now let's get back to our room. Friend Anil is the one who suggested this beautiful place. So he is actually a wildlife enthusiast, and he keeps traveling to this beautiful places, mainly especially on jungle. If you see his Instagram page, right, so it's gonna be filled with animals and birds and nature and all this stuff. So let's see what he has got to say about this.
So I've always been traveling to the jungle. I keep carrying work along sometimes, and these guys always asked me if they could join. So this is something where I wanted to be, especially in March, because there's river tern migration which happens. This is like the only place in Karnataka where the river terns come, nest, breed. So this particular weekend we just planned all of a sudden, and that's how it should be. So you plan, you just leave. Here in the property also we were lucky enough to sight Indian rock python and mouse deer, which is very, very rare. It is something which you don't find it even in the safaris. And the forest is not only about tigers and leopards, so there's a lot more to learn. You tend to learn about it, and that's how conservation begins. So let's conserve. Kadanna ulsi, kadanna belsi. Cheers.
So you heard from the man himself, Anil. So I'll post Anil's Instagram page in the description as well. You can go check them out because he keeps posting up. As I said, he keeps posting about this, wildlife, how animals and birds are going to be in the natural habitat and stuff like that, which is really interesting. You can go visit his page, and you can also follow him for his further updates. And yes, if you have any doubts about this, encounter with the nature, or if you're planning to visit some place, you can also ask him, and he could suggest the best place, or at best time. So we are almost towards the end of the vlog. So right now the time is 10 a.m. and we have to check out another half an hour. I'm going to give you a few tips and few suggestions that you could consider if you are planning to visit this place. So let's go, guys. Tip number 1, the pricing of the twin sharing cottage that we have at the River Tern Lodge, it's 6.5k per person per night. So we are gonna approx pay around 13 to 14,000 for 2 people per night in the twin sharing cottage. But if you want to choose a single person accommodating cottage, it might cost a bit more. So in this stay, you're gonna have 2 wildlife safari. It can be either the jungle safari or the boat safari. Tip number 2, if you're planning to visit this place, I would totally suggest that either you can visit somewhere in between mid-October to March. So this is the perfect time. Tip number 3, so at the River Tern Lodge, you have 2 different islands which is connected by the hanging bridge. So at one end you have the reception area and few of the cottages, and on the other island you have few more cottages. If you ask me, I would say that you can choose the cottages which is on the other side of the island, that is which is not the reception area island, because the balcony view here is really amazing. It is directly facing the reservoir. This is where I'm doing the vlog right now. To also keep in mind that you gotta walk a bit longer to reach the location, or get back to the food court or get back to the reception area. Tip number 4, when you talk about the food here, right, trust me guys, there is no complaints about it. Either it could be breakfast, lunch or dinner or snacks, everything is perfect. Tip number 5, so the distance between the River Tern Lodge and the Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary is around 4 kilometers. So when you're going for a jungle safari, all you have to do is go to the reception area of the River Tern Lodge, and they're gonna take you in the jeep directly to inside the Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. So the complete trip inside the jungle is gonna be somewhere around 2.5 hours. Tip number 6, when you're going inside the Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, don't keep that thought in mind that you're gonna spot the tiger or a leopard. It's very rare chances that you will find them, but you will see a different kind of bird species and few other beautiful animals as well. And I'll also mention the links in the description of this particular River Tern Lodge and Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary and few other details. We are towards the end of the video, so if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like, share, comment and whatnot. And also you can follow me on Instagram page, that is Vincy Vibes. I'll mention that Instagram link in the description as well, where I'll be posting the details about my upcoming vlogs and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. So I'll see you guys with another exciting vlogs. As always, subscribe to Vincy Vibes. Peace out. Boom. So guys, this is an update. So guys, this is an update. We are. This is an update. We have an. Something like that. Hey, Ira macha. Magana ಕಾರಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ತಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಗ ಮುಖ ಫುಲ್ ಗ್ಲೇರ್ ಹೊಡಿತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಾ. ಗ್ಲೇರ್.
A few moments later. Many minutes later.
Over, you're planning to take a short break. These people are very irritating, you know. However,
we are not taking a break at the end.
Okay, guys, bye.
Fearless. Fearless.